How to send pictures in Telegram with a timer. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to send self-destructing photos using Telegram timer feature. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Telegram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply select the chat where you want to send the time picture. This works both for private chats and secret chats. And once you are inside the chat, simply tap on the paperclip icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now simply select a photo that you want to send. And here at the end of the caption section, you can see the circle icon with the one written over it. So simply tap on that and a pop-up menu will appear with different timer options such as 3 seconds, 10 seconds and 30 seconds. Now choose how long you want the picture to be visible, and once you have set the timer, simply tap on send button and the recipient can view the picture only for the selected duration before it disappears automatically. And that's it. Now you know how to send pictures with a timer on Telegram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.